Contrary to what most people think, we don't want a coup in Zimbabwe because coups are bad for business. They lead to a nation being sanctioned by the AU, the SADC, and the United Nations, which would cause the country to lose its improving global image and economic attractiveness. Civilian leadership in Zimbabwe needs to show it can govern to avert a coup. Don't forget subscribe or like it on the bell icon and remember chiti. However, where political instability is caused by a power grab or a greed, a coup may be the only means to reset and avert civil unrest. To prevent further instability under President Mnangagwa's Cap 3 power grab, civilian governance system must demonstrate responsibility and leadership that puts the nation before selfish interest. This is needed to avert the military having to fill a leadership vacuum created by the current leadership's greed and self-centeredness. What would this look like? Number 1. Parliament. Instead of trying to rubber stamp the Cap 3 processes to secure bribes and or a term extension without a referendum, MPs must honestly interrogate whether the Cap 3 process, from consultations through to the vote for presidential term extension without a referendum, has been consultational. Number 2. Parliament's vote. Parliament must then vote in line with the constitutionality of the process, their constituencies' demands, and outlook to protect the constitution and the interests of maintaining peace in the nation. Number 3. Constitutional Court. The Constitutional Court must stop withholding judgment on the case filed by war veterans on whether Cap 3 is constitutional. Its delay in delivering judgment is creating uncertainty and instability because the court has failed to decide a very simple constitutional question. If civilian leadership fails to lead, the coup becomes inevitable. If it does happen, those who caused the crisis by not upholding the constitution must be held accountable. Doma developments are good upangwa inoi. Now comment section videos of more any more today on page. So subscribe or like, put on the bell icon.